Hello students, let's do number system exercise 1B. So we are on exercise 1B now. This is on page number 8 and we are with question 7. So let's read this question. Question says, form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits without repetition. So we have to read our question completely so that we won't make any mistakes. So here we have to form greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers and we should not repeat any digit. So let's follow the conditions. Let's begin. So here I have made a chart like this. So we have a column of digits and we're going to write the greatest numbers here and the smallest numbers here using these digits given. Now it's very easy to form the greatest and the smallest numbers when digits are given to us. We start for the greatest number, we start with the greatest digit. Now can you see commas here? The commas mean they are all 1-digit numbers. But now we are going to form a 4-digit number using these. So we are starting with the greatest number. So greatest digit is 7. Then we have 5. Then 3 and 2. So what have we done? We have arranged from big to small. So when you form the greatest number, you start from the greatest digit and go to the smallest one. Now look at this number. We cannot put a comma after every digit. Then it becomes 1-digit numbers. We have to form a 4-digit number. So we are going to put a comma only in the correct place. So ones, tens, hundreds, and then we have a comma here. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Now we can read the number as 7,532. Now to form the smallest number, we start with the smallest digit 2 and then go from small to big. So let's write that. So here we have 2, then 3, 5 and 7. So we have arranged from small to big. Now let's place our commas, ones, tens, hundreds, and then we put a comma here. So now it becomes 2,357. So now you have an idea. Let's go through all our numbers, digits like that. Second one, we have 6149. To form the greatest, start with the greatest number, which is 9. So let's write 9, then 6, 4, and 1. Now place commas in the right places, ones, tens, hundreds, and then put a comma. So comma comes here. Now we are starting the smallest. Start with the smallest number and go to the biggest. So starting with 1, 4, 6, and 9. Now here also place commas in the right places, ones, tens, hundreds, and then we have a comma here. So that becomes 1,469. Let's go to the next number here. So here to form the greatest, we start with the greatest digit, which is 7, and then keep going to the smallest digit. So here this becomes 7, then 4, 2, and 0. Now place commas in the right places, ones, tens, hundreds, and then the comma. So this is 7,420. Now to form the smallest number, let's be careful. The smallest number here is 0. So you cannot start a number with 0. Now if I write with 0, let me try that also. So if I start with 0 and then 2, 4 and 7. Now this is wrong because if I have to read this number, this becomes only a 3-digit number. Isn't it? Now we've been asked to form a 4-digit number. So what do we do when we have 0? When we have 0, we don't start in the beginning. Instead, we put it after the next smallest digit. So don't start your number with 0. So whenever you have 0, to form the smallest number, put it right after the next smallest number. So this we will erase and we will write our smallest number once again, starting not with 0 but with the next smallest number, which is 2. And then put 0. 2, 0, and then continue 4 and 7. Now place commas in the right places, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So our number is 2047. Next number, we have digits 1853. Form the greatest by starting with the greatest number, 8. So we have 8, then 5, 3, 1. Put commas in the right places, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Now write the smallest, starting with the smallest digit, which is 1, and then go on to 3, 5, and 8. Comma in the right place, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So our number is 1358. Next one, here we have 9607. Start with the greatest digit, 9, that is 9, and then 760. So comma in the right place, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Now when you start the smallest number, remember not to start with 0. So which is the next smallest digit after 0? It is 6. Then you put the 0 and write the other numbers from small to big. So 7 and 9. Now comma in the right place, ones, tens, hundreds, commas. So here once we put the comma, now to read it, 6079. The last number, we have 4 digits again starting with 9. Form the greatest number with the digit 9. So 9, then 8, 5 and 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Now to form the smallest number, start with the smallest digit which is 1. 1, 5, 8, 9. Comma in the right place, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So we have formed the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers without repeating digits. Question 8. Form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits. So we have to make the greatest number of 4 digits, but all the 4 digits have to be different. And there is one more condition. Digit 5 is always at the tens place. So let's begin and do this carefully. So we're going to form the greatest number. Now, which is the greatest 4-digit number? The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. 4 nines, isn't it? But here what does the condition say? You have to use 4 different digits. So I can't have 4 nines. They should all be different, but still the greatest number. So what do we do here? So I start with 9. Then I can't write 9 again. So I write the next greatest number, which is 8. Then again I must remove this. Next greatest number is 7. Next greatest number is 6. So now what do I have? I have the greatest 4-digit number with all 4 digits different. There's one more condition. Digit 5 should be in the tens place. So here, which is the tens place? Ones, tens. I have to replace the tens place with the digit 5. So this is ones and this is tens. I have to replace this 7 with 5. So now let's write our number again. We have 9. 8, replace 7 with 5, and since we are forming the greatest number, I can't leave 6 there. I need to move the 7 there. So now I have 9857, and this is my final answer for the greatest number. Now similarly for the smallest number, which is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000, isn't it? Now if I have to have 4 different digits for the smallest 4-digit number, now I have to change a few things here. So let's do that first now. So here I will have 1 as it is, 0, yes, that's the smallest number. Then in place of the other 2 zeros, because I cannot repeat digits, I will write the next smallest number. So which is the next smallest number? 2, and then the next smallest number is 3. So this is my smallest 4-digit number with all digits different. So I have a comma here. Now I have been asked to put digit 5 in the tens place. So which is the tens place? Ones, tens. 2 is the tens place. So I have to replace 2 with 5. So let's do that. So I have 1, 0, 5, and the 2 will move to the ones place. So now what do I have? 1052. So I have got my smallest 4-digit number with all digits different and with 5 in the tens place. Question 9. Form the largest number with the digits given to us without repetition of any digits. Okay, so now let's form the largest number. So whenever you form the largest number with these digits given to us, take the largest digit, which is 9, and go from big to small. So let's start with 9. So we have 9, then which is the next one? Then we have 6, then 5, 3, 2, and 0. So we have every digit there. We've not repeated anything. Let's put commas in the right places. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma. So what do we have here? 9,65,320. Question 10. Write the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers without repetition of any digits. Okay, so let's do that. So the smallest 4-digit number. Now the smallest 4-digit number we know is 1000. But here they're saying we should not repeat any digit. So 1 will remain as it is. So 0 I can write because that is the first 0 there. Now I cannot write the next 2 zeros because that will be repetition. Now, which is the next smallest digit? Now, 0, 1, then we have 2, then we have 3. So, this is my smallest 4-digit number without repetition of digits. Now, the greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Now, I have to write this without repetition of any digits. I cannot repeat the nines. I start with 9. Which is the next greatest number? 8. The one after that? 7. The one after that? 6. So what do I have? 9,876. This is my greatest 4-digit number without repetition of any digits. Question 11. Find the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so which is the largest 4-digit number? 4 nines. 9, 9, 9 and 9. That means 9,999. Then the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000. Now here we've been asked to find the sum. That means we have to add up these numbers. Sum means addition. So let's add up these numbers. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Again 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. And then 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10,999 is the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. Question 12. Form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers with 8 in the hundreds place and with all digits different. So let's make a note of all the conditions given. Now here we have to form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, now 8 should be in the hundreds place and all the digits have to be different. So let's keep this in mind when we make our numbers. So the greatest 5-digit number. Now if you look at the greatest 5-digit number, that will be 5 nines, isn't it? 99,999. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Now here they're saying all digits have to be different, isn't it? All digits different. So we're going to change all these, have only one 9 and then change all the other digits. So starting with 9, we have 9 and then we remove this 9 because we can't repeat. We write the next highest number, that's 8. Remove that. We can't repeat 8, 7, 6, 5. So we have got 98,765. So we've got all the digits different. Now there is one more condition. 8 should be in the hundreds place. In this number, we have to put 8 in the hundreds place. So now let's just write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So right now, as you can see, 8 is in the thousands place. We should put 8 in the hundreds place. So how do we do that now? We will take away this 8 and move it to the hundreds place. So 9. So in the thousands place, we bring 7. And 8 will move to the hundreds place, 6 and 5. So now we have got the greatest 5-digit number, all digits different, and 8 in the hundreds place. So let's write that down, 97,865. Now the smallest 5-digit number also. Now let's begin first. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Now according to the question, all digits have to be different. So let's get the next answer with all digits different. So that will be 1. 0 will be there. Now we can't repeat zeros. So we go to the next smallest number, 2, and then 3, and then 4. So 10,234 is the smallest 5-digit number with all digits different. Now let's go back to the question. It says 8 should be in the hundreds place. So here let's get all the places here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. And according to the question, 8 should be in the hundreds place. So in this place of 2, we should have 8. So let's get our number now. 1, 0. Instead of 2, we're going to write 8 and then move 2 to the right. 2 and then 3. So we get 10,823. So this is the smallest 5-digit number with all digits different and with 8 in the hundreds place. So the greatest 5-digit number is 97,865 and the smallest is 10,823. Next question, find the difference between the smallest and the greatest 6-digit numbers. So let's do that. So the greatest 6-digit number is 69. So 9, now we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 9,99,999. And the smallest will be 1 lakh. Okay, 1 followed by 5 zeros. And now we must find the difference. That means we have to subtract these two. Difference means subtraction. So let's subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. Here also 9, 9, 9, 9, and here we have 9 minus 1 is 8. So what do we have here? 8,99,999. Question 14. Question 14, in that the first one, how many 4-digit numbers are there between 999 and 3000? Okay, so the numbers are 999 between this and 3000. So the question is, between these, how many numbers do we have? And this is, we are talking about 4-digit numbers. That means we cannot include this 4-digit number. Since the word is between, we cannot include this. We can't include this anyway because it's a 3-digit number. So we have to take the number before 3000. And the number before 3000 is 2,999. This is the first number, isn't it? And then we have to take 999, which is the greatest 3-digit number. If I add one more to it, it becomes a 4-digit number. So take this and subtract it. Subtract it from 2,999. So subtract it here. So let's do that subtraction. 2,999 minus 999. So 0, 0, 0 and 2. So here we get 2,000. So that means there are 2,000 4-digit numbers between 999 and 3000. Question 2, 14th one itself, question 2. How many 4-digit numbers are there? Again, 4-digit numbers between 99 and 3000. So earlier it was between 999 and 3000. So this time it is between 99 and 3000. Now we know 99 is a 2-digit number. So the first 4-digit number will be 1000, isn't it? Which will come after 999. So though the question says between 99 and 3000, it says between 99 and 3000. It is actually the 3-digit number, the biggest 3-digit number, that's 999 and 3000, just like the previous question. Because the first 4-digit number will come after this when you add 1 to this. So now again we do just like the previous question. We take the number before 3000. When we say between, we don't include 3000. 2,999 minus 999. So when we minus 2,999 and 999, we get 0, 0, 0 and 2, we get 2,000. So between 99 and 3,000, there are 2,000 4-digit numbers. Question 15. How many 4-digit numbers are there between 1001 and 4000 this time? Okay, so now the question is between 1001 and 4000. How many 4-digit numbers are there? So here, between 4,000 here, isn't it? So we should take the number before 4,000, which is 3,999. Now this one, we have to minus 1,001 from this. That is this number. So we are taking the number before 4,000, which is 3,999, and we are subtracting 1,001 from it. So let's do that subtraction. 3,999 minus 1,001. 9 minus 1 is 8, and then we have 9, 9, 3 minus 1 is 2. So here we have 2,998 four-digit numbers between 1,001 and 4,000. So this is how we have to do. Question 16. Write all possible three-digit numbers using the digits 3, 6 and 8 if repetition of any digit is not allowed. So using these three digits, we have to form three-digit numbers. So we can start with the number 3. Let's start with 3. So we have 3 here, and we are going to add the other two digits, which is 6 and 8. So now my number is 368. Let me start with 3 again and reverse the order of the other two digits. Here I've written 6 and 8. Let me put 8 and 6 this time. So I get 8 and 6, 386. Now I can't make any more numbers with 3. So I will go to the next digit, which is 6, and write the other two digits next to it. So 3 and 8, 638. Start again with 6 and reverse the order. Instead of 3 and 8, let me write 8 and 3. I get 683. Now start with 8 and put the other two digits. 3 and 6, 836. Start again with 8 and reverse the order. Instead of 3 and 6, let me write 6 and 3. I've got 863. So these are all the numbers that I can form using 3, 6 and 8. Three-digit numbers. Now let's go on to the 17th one. Form the greatest and the smallest four-digit numbers using the digits 5, 4, 7 and 9 without repeating the digits and with certain conditions. So we have to form the greatest and the smallest four-digit numbers using 5, 4, 7 and 9. But what are the conditions? Let's see. First condition is 7 is in the ones place. Okay, so let's start. Now we are going to form the greatest number. If I take these four digits, how do I make my greatest number? I start with the greatest digit, that is 9. So let me write it here, 9. Then I write 7. Then I write 5 and 4. This will be my greatest four-digit number. But here there is a condition. The condition is that 7, here it says 7 should be in the ones place. And now where is the ones place here? This is the ones place. So I need to put this 7 here. This 7 should come here. So let me change the order of my numbers now. So I have 9. Now 7 has to go. So 5 will move back, 4 will move back, and 7 will come in the ones place. So my greatest number here is 9,547. Now I have to form my smallest number. So to form my smallest number, again, let me look at these four digits. Start with the smallest digit 4, 5, 7 and 9. So I've got my smallest number, but the condition is 7 is in the ones place. So which is the ones place? This is the ones place. So 7 should come here. 7 should come here. So 9 will move backwards. So my number will now be 4,597. So smallest number is 4,597. The next condition, 9 is in the tens place. So we write the greatest number, smallest number just like this and put 9 in the tens place. So first let's write the greatest number. Now 9, 7, 5, 4. But the question says 9 is in the tens place. So let's look out for the tens place. This is the tens place. That means 9 should come there. So I start my number with 7. Then I go back 5. I put 9 here and I put 4 there. So what's my number? 7,594. So that is my greatest number. Let me write it, 7,594. Now I have to write my smallest number. So let me get my smallest number here. To form the smallest number, let me look at these 4 digits again. And here I'll start with the smallest one, that is 4, 5, 7 and 9. But the condition here is 9 is in the tens place. So I need to put 9 in the tens place here. And the tens place is this, ones tens. That means I have to move 9 there. So what is my number now? 4, 5, 9 and then I put 7 there. 4,597. So smallest number is 4,597. The third condition is that 4 is in the hundreds place. So let's work out and see. Now to get my smallest number, first the greatest and then the smallest number. To get the greatest number, I start with 9, 7, 5, 4. Now let's look at the condition. 4 is in the hundreds place. So let's look out for the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 should come here to the hundreds place. So let's write that. So 9, then 4 and I'll have to move the others 7 and 5. So what do I have? 9,475. So that is my greatest number. 9,475. Now let's form the smallest number. Now using these 4 digits, the smallest number will be 4, 5, 7 and 9. Go back to the question. 4 is in the hundreds place. So hundreds is ones, tens, hundreds. So 4 should come here. So this will start with 5 and then I put 4, 7 and 9. So that's 5,479. That's the smallest number. 5,479. So we've got all our numbers here, all our answers, the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers, and we have followed certain conditions. With this, children, we've come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.